In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully redeem a promo code on your favorite food delivery app. Whether you're trying to save a few bucks on dinner or testing out a new restaurant at a discounted rate, we're here to guide you through the process, ensuring that your promo code works smoothly and efficiently. First, let's start with the basics, checking the expiration date of your promo code. This might seem straightforward, but it's an easy step to overlook. Promo codes are typically only available for a limited time, and using an expired one will prevent you from enjoying that discount. So make sure to carefully look at the date on your promo code and confirm that it's still valid. If it seems out of date, unfortunately, it will not work and you'll have to hunt for an alternative. Next, you need to carefully check the terms and conditions associated with the promo code. These details are crucial because they outline the specific circumstances under which a code can be used. For example, some codes are designed exclusively for new users, so if you've already made an order on your account, you won't be able to redeem them. Other codes might only be applicable at certain restaurants or might require your order to be above a certain amount to take effect. By reviewing these details, you ensure that your situation aligns with the criteria, avoiding any unnecessary hiccups during checkout. After you've verified the expiration date and terms, it's time to see if your promo code is already recognized by the app. Navigate to the promotions section in your app to do this. Start by tapping on your profile icon, typically found on the app's upper corner. Once there, look for an option labeled Promotions. This area functions as a hub for all the discounts and offers available to your account, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with it. Within this section, you can check if the code you're planning to use is listed there and, crucially, whether it is still valid. If it's already been applied to your account, great, you're all set. If not, you might need to manually enter it during the ordering process. In summary, these 3 steps should set you on the right path to redeeming your promo code effectively. Make sure it hasn't expired, understand the terms and conditions, and finally, check its status on your account. Following these detailed steps will help you avoid common pitfalls and enhance your food delivery experience. So the next time you're placing an order, remember these tips to make the most of your dining discounts. Enjoy your meal and the savings that come with it.